Hello students, second exercise before up to 9 problems completed. Now 10th question. Gopi sold a watch to Ibrahim at 12% gain and Ibrahim sold to John at loss 5%. If John paid 1330 rupees, then find how much did Gopi sold it. See this answer. CP of watch means cost price of watch equal to how much? 1330 rupees. For that SP of a watch equal to formula CP into 100 by 100 plus gain into 100 by, we don't know loss or profit, so 100 by 100 minus loss. For that CP how much? 1330 into 100 by 100 plus gain percent 12 into 100 by 100 minus loss how much? 5%. They given in this. Do simplify here cancellation. 1330 into 100 by 100 plus 12 112 into 100 by 100 minus 5 95. Here cancellation. 2 table cancellation take here. 2 5s 2 6 2 50s. Again here 2 table 2 2s 2 8s 2 25s. Here 2 1s 2 4s 2 50s 2 7 2 25s. Again here 95. Observe here 5 table 5 1s 5 9s. Here 5 2s 10 5 6 30 5 6 30. Like that. Again here totally final cancellation will get 1250 rupees. 11th question. Madhu and Kavita purchased a new house for 3,20,000. Due to some economic problem, they sold house 2,80,000. So find the loss incurring and the second one loss percentage. First one CP of house means cost price of a house. How much? 3,20,000. 3,20,000. Further SP of house. SP of house equal to 2,80,000. Here observe CP is more. CP is greater than SP. CP more means we'll get loss. Loss equal to CP minus SP means 3,20,000 minus 2,80,000. 3,20,000 minus 2,80,000. We'll get 40,000. What is this 40,000? Loss. Loss is 40,000. And second one what they asking? Find the loss percentage. Second one loss percentage. Loss percent equal to loss by CP into 100. Formula loss by CP into 100. Loss how much? 40,000 by CP 3,20,000. 3,20,000 into 100. Here cancellation. 4 zeros get cancelled. Here 4 1s 4 8s. Again 2 table 2 4s 2 50s 2 2s 2 25s. We'll get finally 25 by 2. 25 by 2 means 12.5. 12.5%. What is this? Loss percent. Loss percent equal to 12.5. This is answer. 12th question. A pre-owned car showroom owner brought a second-hand car for that 1,50,000. He spent extra amount 20,000 repairing. Means they brought second-hand car for that 1,50,000 and repairing some painting, and they are using 20,000 extra payment, and then sold it for 2 lakhs. Find whether the gets profit or loss, and that if in case profit means find profit percentage, if in case loss means find loss percent. So CP of car. First CP car equal to CP of car equal to 1,50,000 CP of car. After repairing CP, after repairing car, CP equal to means 1,50,000 plus extra amount 20,000 equal to 1,70,000. Total CP equal to 1,70,000. SP of car equal to how much? 2 lakhs. SP of car 2 lakhs. CP 1,70,000. SP is 2 lakhs. Means SP is more. SP is greater than CP. SP more will get profit. Profit equal to SP minus CP. 2 lakhs minus 1,70,000. 2 lakhs minus 1,70,000 will get 30,000. This is profit. 30,000 is profit. We'll get profit means profit percent. Profit percentage equal to formula profit by CP into 100. Profit by CP into 100. 30,000 by CP how much? 1,70,000 into 100. Here cancellation. So 4 zeros get cancelled. Here 300 by 17. 300 by 17. We'll get, change this decimals, do division, we'll get 17.64%. 17.64%. What is this? Profit percent. Profit percent equal to 17.64. CP of car 1,50,000. After they buyed, after some repairing, painting, repairing, they are using 20,000. Means 1,50,000 plus 20,000, 1,70,000. This total CP of car. CP of car 1,70,000. And SP of car equal to 2 lakhs. Here SP is more. SP more means we'll get profit. Profit equal to SP minus CP. 2 lakhs minus 1,70,000. We'll get 30,000 profit. 30,000 is profit. Profit percentage equal to profit by CP into 100. Profit how much? 30,000 by 1,70,000 into 100. Total final cancellation will get 17.64. That is profit percentage. 13th question. Lalita took a parcel from a hotel to celebrate her birthday with her friends. Means it was billed 1,450 rupees including 5% VAT. Lalita asked for some discount. The hotel owner give 8% discount. Bill amount, total amount, person they given 8% discount. Now find the actual amount Lalita has to pay the hotel owner. Answer. After allowing 5% VAT, the total bill equal to 1,450 rupees. If 8% of discount is allowed on bill, then discount equal to 8% of bill amount. How much? 1450 rupees. 8% means 8 by 100. Half means into 1450. Do cancellation here. 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. 2 4s 2 5s. Again here 5 1s 5 2s 5 9s. Means 29 into 4. 4 into 29 will get 116 rupees. This is discount. Discount equal to how much? 116 rupees. Now Lalita has to pay the bill equal to, means total actual 1450. How much discount? 116 minus 116. Total 1334 rupees. She want to pay. She want to pay the bill 1334 rupees.